Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. I'm back working on the BMW. I should not lie at the beginning of the video, right? So yes, it is the day when we start working on the BMW, but before I can do that, garage needs to be clean. Let's go there and I'll show you what's going on. As you can see, it's complete disaster. We've been working here with my dad, doing other stuff, and plus my dad doing some still continue working on his house, so we need to use a welder, this and that, BMW stuff, Volkswagen, BMW. It is complete disaster. So in order for me to paint the roof, I need to clean out everything over here, reorganize everything, get this jet off of here, get jet parts off of here, completely dust it out, maybe even wash it. I don't know, probably not gonna power wash it. We'll see, but I want this garage to be completely clean because Jetta needs to be painted, BMW needs to be painted, even though I'm probably not going to be painting BMW over here. We'll see. I'm probably going to get the paint booth, but still other projects needs to be painted here, and there's currently 3 projects waiting for me to be painted. So let's not waste any second. Let's get to it. Let's get it done. And let's start preparing the BMW for the roof paint. Let's paint that and we can start finish assembling interior, again body work, but we'll see when I'm gonna start the body work. Let's begin this episode. That's it, I cleaned the garage. Garage looks clean, everything looks good. I already went ahead and parked the BMW here. This is how far it's gonna be over here. And the reason behind that, I'm trying to avoid this over here so I can paint it without bumping to it, or there's more clearance than it is over here right now. This is the best I can do. And also you can see the fan and compressor are gonna be working, so it's gonna be blowing through here, which I'm trying to avoid because I need to paint it and I don't want to have it dirt, because when the compressor works, all the small dirts chipping off of the cage and flying here. That's why I want to move compressor outside. I already did a pad. I need to build the shed, and then I'll move this compressor over there. We'll run the wiring, and then we'll run all the necessary piping for the air to be hooked up, to have one hook up there, one here in the middle, and maybe one over there on the corner, so it would be easier. You come over, hook it up your hose, and you're good to go. So as you guys remember, I don't know, it was probably a couple months back, my last episode about this BMW, when I took it to a test drive, and you guys remember I had the problem with the gauge. The fuel level wasn't showing. Hey, I found the problem. Let me show you what it was. So the actual problem was over there. You can see there's a bolt over there, nut actually. And when I screwed that nut in, I didn't notice that one wire got pinched in between that nut and the body. And that was a signal wire, so it was connected to your ground basically. That's why it wasn't showing. So now I can turn the ignition on and it will show me range and the fuel level. See, now it's showing the fuel level, and over here I guess I have to, oh, see, range says 26 miles. I did figure it out, the problem, but it took me quite a while to trace it, to see what's going on. And honestly, I saw that just I was going through unplugging plugs, and I'm looking in there, I'm like, why this wire kind of pitch in? So when I removed that wire from there, everything started working just fine. So I'm really happy that I was able to trace that problem. Now I need to find out why my backup camera and the parking sensor don't work, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out. If I can't, oh well, I'll find somebody that will. Maybe it's gonna be one of you. So with all this information, guys, now it's time to start the body work. And not the body work, preparation for paint. As you guys remember, when I painted the roof, I did a mistake. I went with the 320 on the DA and painted without a sealer, and now you can see the scratches. So in order to fix this, I need to cover it with the plastic so the water doesn't go inside the vehicle. Mask everything off, this area, the sunroof and everything, and then take a 600 sandpaper, sand all of it, and then repaint it. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to make that today. Actually, I do have to make that today. We'll see what time I'm gonna go sleep. And I'm working tomorrow. Anyway, let's not lose any minute, because hey, time is precious for me right now, super precious. Let's get right into mask it, wash it, clean it, and sand it and paint it. So let's get to it. That's it, I'm done with the sanding. Roof completely prepared, so now all I have to do is just wait a little so it dries out, and I'm gonna use a force air to dry it out quicker so I can paint it. Man, it's been a lot of painting this week. Every single day, every evening I'm painting. Every single evening, it's crazy. But hey, at least things moving left and right. I'm happy. I don't mind painting, and I don't mind sanding. I just don't like Bondo. Really don't like Bondo. That's it. Now, next step, you guys already know. Wax and grease, mix the paint, mix the clear coat, apply all of it. See the result, how everything came out. So next day here, guys, and paint job came out nice, awesome. I like it, but I don't like the way clear coat lays. I should say differently. I don't like how much dirt I have in clear coat. It's just insane. For past couple paint jobs, I've been fighting with the dirt. I think the problem won't be solved until I get the compressor off of here. Now let me show you all this dirt. So the dirt is over here. I know it's a little one, and you might say, hey, don't worry about it, it's a little one and blah blah. Honestly, I don't worry about it. It's just sad that I'm gonna have to buff it. That's all it is. It's just the extra work that I have to do in order to make it perfect, you know. But other than that, I'm not worried about it. So since this hood is hood hood, yeah, I wanted to paint this thing all the way and be done with it. Since the roof is painted, it's done, and it is how I want it. There's no scratches except the dirt. Now I can reassemble the sunroof and install the airbags. Also, I need to reassemble back seat again. I also broke this off. It's broken. It's right over there. You see, right over there. I need to fix it. There's nothing critical. I don't know. Maybe it was because of the damage or something. Anyway, so now I need to reassemble this over here, and I can start reassemble everything on here. So I can take this airbags off that blew up. I'm pretty sure you guys remember that episode. Reassemble these sides over here, the sunroof, maybe a few other things, and I'm gonna be ready for the headliner, which is right over there, right over there. Yes, headliner is here. It's done. I received it in July. I believe I received it in June or July or August. I don't remember. Same company did it to my dashboard and side panels, and they did this. So I don't know. I'm kind of scared to open up, but hey, it's too late. Nothing I can do about. I don't want to deal with it no more again. If it's bad, then I'll redo it. If it's decent, then it is what it is. I paid for it. I'm not gonna fight with it. I'm done. Time will show if that company trusted or not, you know. It could be mistake, you know, it could be honest mistake, could be the worker that they hired messed up on my dash and the door and all that. I understand too, they spent money on materials and I didn't pay them any penny. I don't mind paying, but you know, I do mind paying when there's nothing to pay for. I don't like paying for something that I can't use or it's not been done properly. If I can use those parts, I have no problem to pay that company. Even, let's say, if I'll sell that door panel and the dash and people okay with it, I'll just get the portion of that money, get a check, and I'll send it to that company since they don't care and they okay with it. I don't know, we'll see. I don't like to be owning something, but at the same time I have to pay for something, right? Nobody wants to pay for air. Everybody wants to pay for something you can hold in your hand, can wear it, can look at it, you know, for the stuff. You can't pay for the air and looking through the hair and trying to imagine what you bought or what you paid for. Anyway, let's put this drama down, past us. I see a lot of YouTubers using company and they're happy with it. Like I said, it could be an honest mistake. But enough of that. Let's just continue work on the BMW, get the stuff done, and get this thing finally on the road. got everything reassembled back over here. Still can't install these sides because the panels needs to go here. But in order to install those panels, the headliner needs to be installed. But in order to install the headliner, the sunroof needs to be installed, which is over here. And you might have a question, why couldn't I install it? Simple answer for that is when I disassemble this to send it out to make this Alcantara, I took those bolts out and I left this things inside, not inside, in here, and the bolts at this separate place. So I found the bolts, but I can't find these two brackets in order to install the sunroof back in place. And I've been trying to find them for past couple hours and I can't find them. I remember last time when I saw them and I was thinking about it. I don't want to lose it. I know this is a small item that can be lost real easily. I was worried about, I was moving them somewhere and I put it somewhere. I don't remember where though. So that's exactly why I hate have not enough space to put the stuff you disassemble. You put it there, then you stuck with the project, you brought another project, you move it. You put other projects parts there and the circle goes on. That's why I want to have a big shop with lots of storage. So you can put the stuff somewhere and that stuff doesn't go nowhere, doesn't move, and you got all your parts, everything there. You can't do that with a 3-car garage. So with all this information, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap it up this episode right here. I know not a whole lot of process been done on the BMW, but hey, I'm happy at least that it start moving. And by the way, I wanted to tell you that I'm gonna have a schedule on YouTube for probably a month, maybe a little more. So every Wednesday, Jetta gonna come out, episode with Jetta gonna come out until I finish. And every Sunday I'm gonna post the BMW. So I'm gonna work between those two vehicles during a week because I'm working and work is busy right now. Time to make money, and that's what I do. I have more responsibility right now. I have a helper, he needs to be busy, I gotta pay him. So things rolling and I'm trying to squeeze the vehicles in between. So that's the plan. Hopefully everything gonna work out. Like I said, Wednesday should be Jetta, every Wednesday till I finish, and every Sunday till I finish BMW. Hopefully that's gonna work out. We'll see how it goes. With all that information, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap it up this episode right here. Thank you for stopping by. If you did like the episode, give me a thumbs up. That helped the channel to grow. And also, if you only see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram as Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next one.